Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the new codes that are in Dress to Impress. So basically, to enter the code, you are just going to go to the section here, codes, enter the code here and press redeem. I already redeemed all the codes, so I can't really show you, but where the code items will be is in the changing rooms here. Select E, and then here, if you go to codes, you'll find all the code items here, and I will put every one of these in the description box down below. Some of the codes are now expired, but I will not put the expired codes down below. But yes, unfortunately, some of the codes you cannot redeem anymore because the event is over, like the mermaid one. And there's a few you can't redeem anymore. Like the brat one is not really a code, but you had to be in the brat event when it was happening. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I will put all the codes down below so you can just copy and paste them. I'll wear one right now, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.